need it, because why they do that to me?
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi ladies and gentlemen and everybody in between. I am back with somebody else's hair, and guess what? It's another cozy night in Get Ready With Me. Clink, 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 clink. I don't know if y'all could tell, but this time we actually got a cocktail. I haven't had a cocktail on camera in a minute. We're still celebrating Gemini birthdays. My birthday was on June 8th. We're gonna have a little cocktail. If you want to get me something for my birthday, girl, just hit subscribe and the post notification bell just so you can see every single time I post, because I'm coming to you every single week with a brand new wig, girl, and a new personality. I'm a Gemini girl. I'm gonna give you something new every single week, every day, every moment of the day. I keep you guessing. We're gonna get into a little chat and tell y'all, we're gonna talk about what's been going on, where we went, what traveling was like. Girl, get into the little bit of mess from TikTok, because the young girlies over there are having a hard time. And we're gonna cover these bags after I had a breakdown. But obviously the most important thing that we're gonna be doing is getting into the scalp. But baby, she is a glueless, gorgeous wig, and I absolutely love this wig. And I want to say thank you to Ashimaryhair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video, because baby, she ate the way Ashimaryhair did this glueless wig, baby. I said, girl, you fooling the girls. So we're gonna start with the hair, and then we're gonna move down to the face. If you want to see how I did this look, and you want to drink with me, and you want to chat, please keep on watching, and I'll be back to do the face. But first, let's go ahead and get into this hair. So of course your wig is going to come in the beautiful Ashimaryhair box. This Ashimaryhair box is like a Tiffany blue. Love that. Now this box comes with a few gifts along with your wig. Now your gifts that you're going to get in your box may be different from what I'm showing here, but it could be a combination of those other items. But baby, we're here for the wig. This wig is the 10x6 Parting Space Glueless Bye Knots wig with pre-cut lace. Now, like I said, this wig is a 10x6 lace frontal wig. It is 180% density, and mine is 20 inches long. Since this wig is a super duper easy glueless wig to apply, I'm going to start with the simple base, which is basically a wig grip and a wig cap. That's it. Now baby, of course I like to smell my wigs, and this wig smelled good, girl. It smelled like just clean hair. Now when you pop the wig on, you can see that you barely can see the lace, honey. It's like a little bit lighter, but I was obviously excited about it. It looks so good. It fits well, but I just needed a little bit of lace tint just to get her going a little bit, just to put a little gas in her tank. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the More Crazy lace tint in the color medium brown. I got this from Amazon, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that to the lace. The great thing about this wig is that it does come with pre-cut lace and a pre-plucked hairline. So baby, the work is cut down for us. All I have to do is plop this wig back on, and we need to just flatten this hairline. But look how that lace is blending into the skin. It looks shamazing. Now let's go ahead and start with flattening this hairline. I'm gonna go in with my She's Bomb wax stick and my Red by Kiss hot comb, and I'm just gonna go in and flatten this hairline just to make sure the hairline looks like it's growing out of my scalp. The wig came like this. The wig came with a pre-flattened hairline, but when I do the lace tint thing, it kind of unflattens the hairline. Then I got to start the process right back over. I don't know why I do it like that, but I feel like there has to be a better way to do it. But girl, that's the way I do it. It puts extra work on it. But if you don't need the lace tint, or if you add makeup, you can go ahead and skip this step. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and reflatten all the hype hair that I caused with the blow dryer, so we can go ahead and get into styling next. So I'm just gonna flatten it on both sides. One thing I want to note about this wig is that this Bye Knots wig also features a C-shaped ear tab, or the ear cuff around the ear, so the wig fits comfortably. When I tell you this was like one of the best things I could do, oh my god, it's so comfortable around my ears. Now let's go ahead and get back to how we're styling this wig. Y'all know I'm so happy. I love to cut, but I was trying my best not to turn into Mrs. Scissorhands, okay? I was just trying to do a little bit so I could just get some of the dead ends off. Usually on frontals and closures, the hair up there is a little bit drier, so I have to trim it a little bit so the curls pop a little bit more. And I also trimmed the bottom like maybe a ½ inch. The ends look really good. They felt good. They actually didn't need a trim, but you know me, girl. The scissors got to touch every inch of this hair. It just got to. Now next, all we have to do is define these curls. Now you can leave this hair as is, but you know me, I got to do a little something to it. So I'm going to go ahead and use the She Is Bomb, or not the She's Bomb. Oh my God. The Do Mousse Stuff Texture Foam. I use this texture foam, but I add a lot of water to it. Like it's half water, half product, because the product is so rich. It's almost like a mousse cream. It's so hard to describe, but I love it. But I just water mine down a little bit. I add the mousse to the hair, and then I brush it through with my favorite brush, which is my Evolve 572 brush. And I just go ahead and brush through the hair all the way through to get those curls defined. The thing about water wave hair is that it don't need much mousse, girl. You could use a little bit of water if you want to, but I love really, really clumped curls. I like for my curls to almost look like, you know, baby day gang gang. I want them to hang out. So I do that on both sides. I just add the mousse all over the hair and brush it through, and make sure the curls are clumped together. Did I just sneeze? I think I just did, girl. I think I just sneezed. Baby, I'm allergic to my office. I don't know what's going on. So once all the hair is covered and saturated, I do a little shimmy, and we use the Dyson blow dryer to dry and diffuse those curls. I try my best to use a diffuser, or I'll air dry it. Now, I actually, to be honest with you, I used a little bit of a diffuser, and then I popped this wig off. I sat it under the dryer, and I left and came back a few hours later after I had a couple of ramen noodles, girl. Gluten-free ramen noodles at that. Now, after that is done, I'm just going to go ahead and do my baby hairs. I was going back and forth on whether or not I want to do baby hairs, but I feel like curly hair and baby hairs goes together, but this hairline looks so good, you don't need them. Sometimes baby hairs are used to cover up lace that isn't good lace, but this lace looks good and it doesn't need baby hairs, but I just wanted it for the aesthetic of it all, So I just lay down baby hairs on both sides. I also lay down my natural baby hairs because, like I said, she's gonna stay glueless today. Now I'm gonna take my what is this, the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. I'm going to add a little bit of that to the edges of the lace, because the edges were kind of curling up from me hot combing, and I needed them to lay down a little bit. I need them to relax. So I just used a little bit of that on the edges just so it laid down. It's not exactly attached to my head. It's still glueless. It just, you know, just relaxed them a little bit. So next we're just going to go ahead and comb through the curls and fluff them out, because y'all know I like my curls big. Now you can give it the wet look like if you want, but I like the fluffy look. Now next we're just going to go in and define our part. The part it has huge parting space, but I still wanted my part to be defined. So I hit it with a little bit of the MAC NC50 stick foundation. Once the foundation was hit, baby, the wig was complete. And when I tell you, this wig looks amazing. If you are interested in this wig, I'll go ahead and leave a link for this unit down below. And of course, I will leave a coupon code as well for the girlies that are interested. Go ahead and get you some money off, girl. We don't play about that. Save your coin. Now we're going to go ahead and get into the face and do a nice little chat and have a little
pretty. Oh, that's a pretty goal. Hello? Ooh. This is the finished look. What do y'all think?